So where are you riding to today?
We're going to the dump.
Nice.
From a hole in the floor to a fountain of youth, you step through the door, all your hair in your hands, wear through the shoes. And the gal in this mud on the porch by you were chilling off like
You go.
you said you were
See you in a while.
bye 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 bye. White light, you stay. Child you found, you trade your head in your hand, you say, in deep blues by the window face.
Yeah. You're back, guy. How's the bike ride?
Excellent.
How far did you guys go?
About 16 miles
Nice.
round trip.
Julie.
Pretty good.